Okay, what is up, everybody? So right now we at an undisclosed location here with my friend with his dream bike. My friend is also undisclosed, so yeah, just keep on. Okay, this is his dream bike, Kawasaki Z800, and today I will take some photos of his new dream bike. So I don't know much about bike, but it looks pretty cool, and that is him. Okay, undisclosed friend at undisclosed location. So let's take some photos. Okay, right. Okay, now he's gonna start up his Z800. Okay, so I don't have any experience shooting bike, but I'm just gonna try. 这个线跟着这个线。Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna try shoot. Okay, 一张。里面。再蹬几下就是了。
哎呀，还蹬到乱鱼了。
Okay, so I'm just playing around with the lighting. Yeah. Okay, so right now we at a second location here with a very big Christmas tree. Yes, Christmas tree plus the bike. Okay, let's see what can we take. Okay, wow. We gotta go low angle. Try and focus the bike. Woo, cannot focus. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see the picture. It's a bit dark. 你跟他，你坐着，坐着像差不多一样，啊。坐着。哦，觀咗得，開你的那個，因為我看到阿里有燈的顏色嘛。
OK。
啊，開下咯。
開燈咗啦。
啊，係。看下。啊 ，yeah， like Christmas bike 嘞。OK， 你塞前面一點 ，nice。Okay, 1, 2, one more, wait, 1, 2， 你就是 pause 呢？等下 pause 啊 ，pause 哈。然後一個坐着。OK， angle 还过来一点 ，bike 斜一点，斜去那边斜啊 ，OK。 Okay. One more. Getting low. One more, one more. Yes. Dạ. Right. Ý. Okay, I'm just taking a. Okay, because the background is too bright. Okay, now one for my car. Hả? Khai你的那个闪灯就好了。哎呦，你 double light 不是按姜啊？OK， 坐等。你 double light 不是按姜。
你有 double light 吗？我买 double light 吗
？Okay. Sheesh, like Christmas tree. Hey, what? Những tí mà.
Ngày mùng tí. Cái này còn有个颜色灯呀，cái còn nè.
Yeah.
我ngày mùng tí mà cái颜色啦，这个。
后面，装后面。后面。后面。等一下，摆过。装后面。Okay. Yes. 等一下。Okay. Alright guys, so now we at another location. Here the lighting is much brighter. Okay, but there is no Christmas decoration, so I'll just take a picture of the bike. We got some light behind. Let me see. Oops. Okay. Okay, so this is like my first time taking picture of a bike. Hopefully it will be nice. Okay, 来，你坐上去。啊？不是，你坐上去，然后看你的前面灯就好了。OK。离灯很美。呼。你还什么 boss？ 哦。坐这哈 ，OK。OK， 讲了。So once again, this is my friend's Z800 with sport exhaust. I don't know much about bike, but it's very fast. Very fast. Okay, so that is all for today's video. So thank you. Okay.